Lesson 5, we're going to look at multiplication and division of integers. Earlier in the year, we did focus on adding and subtracting integers, so this will be our first time to look at multiplying and dividing with integers. Remember, integers are numbers like -3, +5, 0. All of those are integers. When multiplying or dividing two integers, we're going to look to see what signs they have. If they have the same sign, meaning they both are positive or they both are negative, then their answer will be positive. But if they have different signs, meaning one positive and one negative, then the answer will be negative. So those rules are different from when we added and subtracted. Let's look at some examples and hopefully it'll start making sense to you. So the first one, -3 times -8. They are both negative, so the signs are the same, so then it will be positive 24. Remember, if it's positive, you don't have to put the positive sign, but you can. Okay, the next one, -81 divided by -9. So the signs are the same, so it will be positive 9. The next one, 4 times 5, the signs are the same. The answer is 20. It would be positive 20. The next one shows exponents. So a quick little review on that. The exponent of 2 means we're multiplying two of them. So -3 times a -3. The signs are the same. They're both negative, so that will be positive 9. The next one, -5 squared, would mean -5 times -5. The signs are the same, so positive 25. So all of these examples were when they had the same signs and their answers were positive. Okay, let's keep going on our examples. The next one, that's a positive 49 being divided by a -7. They have different signs, so the answer will be negative. So -7. -56 divided by 7. One is negative, the other one's positive, so that would be -8. 9 times -3, the signs are different, so -27. -4 times 4, one of those is positive, one of those is negative, so different signs would be -16. Okay, here are some examples where there's more than two numbers. So make sure when you are applying the rules that you only do two numbers at a time. So on this first one, I'm going to start with 5 times -3. Just on those two numbers, the signs are different, so it will be -15. I'm going to bring down the multiplying by -2. Now I'm only looking at those two numbers. So -15 times -2, the signs are the same, so it will be positive 30. Okay, the next problem, -2 cubed means -2 times -2 times -2. Okay, we're going to take the first two numbers there. Their signs are the same, so that would be positive 4. Then multiplying that by a -2, the signs are different, so that would be -8. Okay, this third problem here, I'll write that out, -3 times -3 times -3. The first two numbers, the signs are the same, so it's positive 9. And then multiplying that by -3 would be -27. So the first two, the signs were the same, that's why it was positive 9. Then multiplying it by a negative, the signs were different, so -27. So you may want to go back to this first page and jot down those rules so that when you're trying your assignment today, and you don't have to write the whole thing down, but you could just write down same signs positive, different signs negative, and have that in front of you while you're working on your assignment today. Again, if you'll look for the assignment, lesson 5, multiplication and division of integers.